big deal
Because it's the last one.
Cincinnati Zoo. Yeah. And just took it back to Thailand because they were so it's in like a reserve.
I think they made music and send it out because they should have done artificial because it's safer. You never know if you could do something.
Oh yeah.
He could get hurt.
Yeah.
And the thing is,
Yeah.
I think they're going to do artificial whatever. It's safe. Well, that's what they did with both times. Like her mommy
Eventually.
Hey, look at the panda bear. Both times. So, okay, come on. No, all of them. Oh, they're all the ones who died. They're all.
I saw this one.
Have a good day.
I
don't know, honey.
Oh, I see a person right here. Where? I didn't see a dog.
I don't know where the baby is.
Baby's inside.
Oh, the baby's
But
inside?
you can go inside and see it. You just have to go down the path and
Okay, we can inside the baby.
they let you inside now, so you won't miss them.
They were watching the cam earlier and he was outside, but I guess he went back in.
Oh, they do want him to come back in after a while.
Let's go inside.
You're all about the baby, aren't you?
That's the
All
only
right.
reason I really wanted to come.
Oh, good grief. All right.
I want to see a mama bear open that ball.
She's not that old. She's old.
What's that ball? That
2 years old is not old. She's still like 2. But in 2 years, she'll go back to 2.
mama bear open that big ball?
Yeah, now, like, I don't know.
Mommy,
Most of the pandas, yeah, it's a thing.
that mommy bear's probably looking for a big bear.
No.
Let's go.
Oh, okay, all right, let's go find the baby. Maybe we could check out the elephants over